Hi, Av here again. Thanks for joining me. So I want to talk to you about some amazing new features that we've recently put together. So Reactiv now completely supports Office 365 documents, and it's completely integrated into your workflow with your existing documents. Let me show you what I mean. So let's just say that I pull up this PowerPoint deck and we're having a conversation. So I make it large, we're going through, and you have a question, and maybe your team asks, where did this number come from? We might need to update it. So very quickly, I can pull up the Excel spreadsheet that I used to generate that number, open this up, zoom right into Excel as an actual worksheet, and I can basically say, look, we need to average all these numbers right here and update. Okay, so let's just say that I want to go do that. Now, at the same time, I can click the Save button and something really interesting happens. The documents that we look at right here get saved right back out. So now let's also, at the same time, take a look at this Word document, and I'm going to put in version 2. We're really going to go ahead and make this be simpler. We want to limit this. We want this picture to be larger, etc. So now just now I worked on PowerPoint, Word, and Excel. Now if I go back to this directory on my computer, I want to show you something really interesting. First up, every one of these documents has been converted where the ink is added right in. That's Word right there. That's ink is right there. Now I'm going to open up this PowerPoint document, and you'll see the ink is right there, whatever we updated. And I'm now going to open up the Excel document right here. And hold on a second. If I open up the Excel document, you'll see that again, the ink is an editable layer that is inside the document. So I can send these documents back to my team and instantly describe what was done with the context preserved and minimize the error. So check out Reactiv and see how simple it is to treat data like a piece of paper in your virtual meetings where you can ink, save, and visually describe concepts.